Hey Flow fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this super cute Mickey Mouse pumpkin paper squishy. I think the squishy turned out super cute and super slow rising, so I definitely recommend that you guys try it at home. And it's also the first official episode of flowaween for 2023, guys. I'm so excited. The series is gonna be so good and I have so many cool videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So here is how the squishy looks like. Here is the back, and I just think it turned out so cute. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys like this tutorial and try it at home. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first step is to take one piece of paper like this and fold it in half. This is gonna be where we draw our main pumpkin shape, and since we're gonna try to make it jumbo, we're probably gonna fill up the whole page. Now we're gonna take a pencil and kind of just start making our pumpkin shape. Okay, so the shape is gonna basically be like kind of an oval but kind of not. It kind of comes down right here in the middle. The sides are round, and it just does the same thing on the other side. Once we have this shape, we're now gonna do the fun little details of the Mickey Mouse face, so right here in the center. And for reference, this is kind of like my inspo pic I'm trying to recreate. So yeah, I'm gonna try to recreate this little Mickey Mouse face in the middle of the pumpkin. Luckily, this squishy doesn't have too many complicated details. It's just the cute little face in the middle. So we're gonna just start off by drawing the eyes. So I'm just gonna do again like this oval shape, and then another one right beside it. I'm actually gonna just draw a line in the middle just to know where the middle is. Now I'm just gonna do the oval right here and another oval right there. And the nose is actually pretty big, so we're just gonna draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. This orange to color the whole pumpkin, and then this darker orange to just outline the lines that we drew. And then in the back side, we're just gonna use the two oranges to color all of it, and then the lines again. the pumpkin and color the whole side. This is gonna be a lot of coloring. and slow rising. Here is the back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and hopefully you guys tried to make this squishy at home. I hope you guys enjoyed the first official episode of Flowaween for 2023 and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you haven't checked out my YouTube shorts, I'm doing like a little paper squishy blind bag series on there. So basically like I showed me making the process of the blind bags. I think that's already up by the time I post this video. And I'm just gonna be posting like a little series of opening the paper squishy blind bags. So yeah guys, I'm posting shorts now and it's mainly gonna be blind bags for now, but drop down some suggestions in the comments down below on what you want to see also. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!